Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the Paloma. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. While tequila is certainly the national liquor of Mexico, it's the Paloma, not the Margarita, that takes the distinction of being the national drink. While there's some debate over its origins, according to Difference Guide, the Paloma was first created by Don Javier de Gada Corona, owner and bartender of La Capilla in Tequila, Mexico. Frequent viewers of our channel might remember that name, as he also is credited with inventing the Batanga, which we'll link below from a previous video. Today we're going to make two variations of the Paloma, one the traditional way, the other we're going to replace the tequila with the much smokier Mezcal. If you're not familiar with the differences between tequila and Mezcal, we've also done a video on that, which we'll also link below. Let's get to it, guys. We've already got ice in our highball glasses. We're going to start out with 2 ounces of tequila. We love our 100% blue agave additive-free tequila. Today, we are using, actually forget the name, I'm going to double check it here. We're using the Olmeca Altos, just picked this up today. You can verify online. If you're always wondering, guys, just Google, is this tequila 100% agave additive-free? Makes for a much better tequila. Our other version, we're also going to do 2 ounces of Mezcal. You'll see right away the color on this one is a little darker. Again, we'll explain the differences in that other video. Each drink gets a pinch of salt. We also use a ½ ounce of lime juice. Got that already squeezed up, ready to go. Then you top the drink with a grapefruit soda. There is a ton of debate in Mexico and all around the world with bartenders. What is the best grapefruit soda for a Paloma? Honestly, the two that come out on top are traditional Squirt. Now, this is the cane sugar version in the glass bottle, and also the Jarritos, the Mexican grapefruit soda. Both these make for a great Paloma. We're going to use one on each, guys. I know they're both great, but just so you know, both of these are the ones you want to pick. Top that off. And do the same with our Jarritos. Now, as you can see, we're making this in the glass. We're not going to shake it up. You give it a light stir. This is a carbonated grapefruit soda we're using, so don't stir too much. Each one use a light stir. And for a garnish, we're going to use a lime wedge. Go ahead and try these out. First, the traditional tequila version. Cheers. I love these, guys. It's a fantastic drink. If you're a fan of the Margarita, you'll absolutely love the Paloma. Do take note, though, if you're on any sort of blood thinner or you've had any sort of heart medications, be careful. Check with your doctor. Grapefruit is not always the best with some of those medications. Do check that out first, but this drink is fantastic. And now the Mezcal version. You can already smell a little bit more smokiness there for sure. Also a delicious drink. Definitely has a lot more flavor profiles to it. The smokiness of the Mezcal adds a lot to it, both in the smell and the taste. Do like this one as well, though. A different drink for sure, but I'd absolutely recommend this as well. Guys, either way, you're going to go right for sure. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Stop. Stop. I got it. Stop laughing.